this is Miss Remy here, and I am back with another video. So this video is actually a quick, easy, fun DIY Afro crochet wig. All right, so while I was in Florida, one of my friends asked me to make her a wig. She was actually going to do a crochet, Afro crochet, but I suggested that I make her the wig because, as you know, Florida weather, it's no joke. So, and I know for a fact that she was not going to leave this for more than 3 days in her hair. So I decided to make the wig for her real quick because she was going to do a photo shoot. I don't know if you can see her, but she's sitting right there. Right there. So as you saw, the kind of hair that I was using, I used 2 packs. And if you decide to make this wig, which is easy and fun, you will need a crochet needle, you will need a hairpin to pin down the wig cap, you will need a wig head, and you will need, yeah, that's about it. They're here. And there's no method to this. There's really no method to this. So I looped it by like 3 holes. So I put the needle through 3 holes, because if you're trying to do it one hole by one hole, like, it's gonna take you forever, and the wig it's gonna rip. Okay, so that's one advice. Even with 2, it's a bit difficult. Yeah, so I decided to make her the wig. But I wasn't there when she did the shoot, so I wasn't able to style the wig, and she did a good job styling it. And the person who also dressed her, she looked good, as you saw from the first video and from the first picture, and I added some more pictures. So stay tuned to see the rest of the video. And please, if it's your first time on this channel, please consider to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I am trying to accomplish this goal to reach 100 subscribers by the end of next month. So would you be kind enough to subscribe to this channel, to share it, and to help me reach my goal? And I really appreciate my subscribers right now. I thank you so much for subscribing, and those who keep coming back every week to watch my videos. I am so grateful for you guys. You have no idea. Thank you so much. Your support is really appreciated. And guys, I don't know if you can see, but her brother and her mom was home, so they like in and out of the video, even her right here that just passed by. So yeah, and I hope you guys enjoy this quick video, and if you guys like to see content like that, so let me know. I will be glad to do some styling, anything hair related, because a girl loves to do hair. And yeah, and this is me trying to fit the wig and see where I need to add hair, where is any gap, and anything like that. So I hope you guys don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like I said. I would really appreciate it. Have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day and weekend. And I will see you on the next video.